The reports of properties of politicians abroad is shocking. You will see list of properties in Spain, France, the United Kingdom, the United States of America, Australia. And you would be surprised, some of these politicians are neophyte politicians. To have amassed so much money to buy properties abroad. Relatives with golden visas, kapatid, pamangkin, tatay, nanay, easily $500,000 to invest in a golden visa. And you would be surprised, before they were politicians, they had nothing, no properties at all, not even $500,000 in their bank account.